Want to set up your HP LaserJet Pro M15W with Wi-Fi? Just follow these simple steps and get printing in minutes. Step 1. Turn on your printer. Step 2. Load plain sheets into the input tray. Step 3. Press and hold the Resume Cancel button for a few seconds. Step 4. Your printer will now print a page with the Wi-Fi Direct name and password. Step 5. On your phone or computer, open Wi-Fi settings. Step 6. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and search for available networks. Step 7. Tap on the printer's Wi-Fi Direct name when it appears. Step 8. Enter the Wi-Fi Direct password from the printout and tap Connect or Join. Still facing issues? We are here to help. Call us at +1 87759599194 +1 87759599194. Visit us at www.printerfix.support. Like this video if it helped. Drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful printer tips.